In this video, I'm going to give you a good tip on how to make great, consistent Cometeer coffee through a Keurig style machine. Well, the Cometeer coffee cups are very consistent with a Keurig cup. Fit right in your machine, close it up, bruise it just like a regular Keurig cup. However, when you put them in there frozen, it's inconsistent. I don't think it gets all of the coffee extract out of there. If you look at their website, it gives you all different recipes for making martinis, drizzling melted over ice cream, and it says machine compatible. But what I've discovered is let your capsules melt, and it should be liquid consistency. And then put it in your Keurig machine, and that's going to give you the best cup of coffee you've ever had. If you put those in there frozen, it's inconsistent. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not so good. I just don't think that it can melt the extracted coffee fast enough. I think it leaves some behind. So what I've done, I just take maybe 3 or 4 out of the freezer. You know, they're going to come in these boxes like this. Take 3 or 4 of your capsules out, put those in your refrigerator, and the next day they're mostly going to be melted. If you want to take one out and set it on your countertop, it takes about 2 hours to fully melt it. But as far as what I've discovered in using these Keurig machines, it needs to be melted. It doesn't say that anywhere on the website or any directions in any of their boxes. Hope this video was helpful. Enjoy your coffee, and thanks for watching.